Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna craft for our play kitchen for another holiday that I didn't craft for before. I thought it was just Passover, but I guess there are other holidays that I didn't craft for, and I'm talking about Yom Ha'atzmaut, the Israeli Independence Day. I never made something for the Independence Israeli Day, but I was thinking of making something for the kids actually, with some song that I'm recently started doing. And then I was thinking I can craft something for our play kitchen as well and decorate. It is kind of a tough year for Israel and for Israelis around, but I was thinking it's really important to share it with the kids and teach them about our country. So I'm very happy to craft today for the Israeli Independence Day. Before we begin, if you're new here, welcome to the DIY Nanny channel. Here I craft, DIY, and hack things in the playroom for the kids. You can check out the rest of my videos, and if you like them, please hit that subscribe button. Now let's begin. So usually when I craft for a holiday, I make some decoration, but also foods that we eat in this holiday or something like that. And for the Israeli Independence Day, I decided to make falafel. So if you don't know, falafel are those little balls that are made out of chickpeas, and you fry them and you eat them in pita, and it's delicious. It comes from all over the Middle East and from different countries, but in Israel it kind of became the national dish. We even have a song about how much we love falafel. So it's definitely the choice. I already have in our play kitchen 2 pitas from, I think it's from Hip Toys. So I have that ready for me, although it would be easy to make pita from felt. I also have a salad from Hip Toys, I think. So I can take the cucumber and the tomato and even pieces of onion from there to put in the pita. So basically all I need to do is make the falafel balls. Now I made before, and I'm gonna link the video right here, meatballs for our play kitchen. I crocheted basically little balls, and then I cut some pieces of red felt for the sauce. I'm gonna use the same method. This time I'm gonna use brown and green. For the meatballs I used brown and red. You can check this out. And basically I don't have a pattern. It's something really small. I don't think I need to figure out. I believe if you do want to find a pattern, every ball pattern would work. So basically what I do is I put together the brown and the green thread, and I start making a little circle, and then when it's in the right size, I think it is, I stop adding eyes for it to kind of become in the shape of a ball actually, and then close it on the top. I'm gonna show you the whole process, although I don't have a pattern. I don't think I even have enough brown and green that are exactly matching, but you know, when you eat falafel outside, they don't all look the same, so that's fine. So I'm gonna start with that, and then we'll continue. So this is usually the shape that I stop adding eyes, and then it's starting to take the shape of a ball. It's about 1.25 inches. So basically now it looks like a little ball. I start to take out eyes, maybe every 5 eyes or something like that. to make sure that the next row will have less eyes and it will start closing in. So now that I have this little opening, I'm gonna fill it in, and then I'm gonna start taking every other eye out, or every eye out, kind of trying to close this gap. And in the end, I'm gonna just use a needle to close everything. So I finished the falafels. I have the pita and salad in the play kitchen already. The only thing that is missing is some tahini, right? I decided to make a bottle of tahini. We do have bottles of ketchup and mustard and stuff like that for our burgers, so I figured that will be a great addition. I found this at Primark. It's just this kind of bottles for like travel. And I figured I can create a tahini bottle from one of them. There is with it a little funnel, and I thought that could be cool if I can figure out how to maybe remove part of it and put the funnel in so they can kind of squeeze in tahini. I also, in one of our ketchup bottle, there is actually a string, red string that coming out. So I thought maybe I can find something that can come out and in when you move the bottle, so it looks like something coming out of the bottle. So I think I'm gonna try it with this. Side note, not for this video, but I thought these two cuties can be a hand soap and a dish soap. So I don't know when I'll make this, but basically this was $2 and I'm creating 3 things out of it, so this is amazing. So let's go ahead and make our tahini bottle. is ready, and now it's time to decorate. And of course, for Yom Ha'atzmaut, Israeli Independent Day, I'm just gonna decorate the kitchen with Israeli flags. I'm gonna create a design in my Cricut, cut it, glue it, and then it will be time to decorate and celebrate the holiday in our play kitchen, pretend eating our lovely falafels. Yom Ha'atzmaut Sameach, happy holiday.